Boss ka.
Based on your ulterior motive.
Today ka lang drive.
Like on the road.
Let's see, but you can.
So I hope to operations and logistic head ni
Siguro
Dito is sunsugtog sa
Kerr is actually my name.
actually is
Sen.
5 freelancers.
more na pinandili.
How do you got them from your different experiences?
Is technical skills and the
Multiplier points ano po?
multiply. Kung yeah, so at least you're here.
Remember, he sold all reward, incentive.
You're really.
I want to be remembered in here.
Best form of insurance is that now, James partner.
How's your list? Nandun ba sa because he knows
Gaming company sa buong mundo.
Paano ko ba?
they have yung mga usual.
Can you just mention this?
So paano? I'll demonstrate kasama na lang si kasi ikaw position mo. Kaya naman, you're not allowed to wait.
Sila pwede. Pare-parehas kami sa mga gagawin. There's like big line at the upper part.
So yung mga upload pa na wala pa na cloud?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Makadali yan. Bakit hindi mo naintindihan? Yung mga direction.
Yung instructions.
Sila ng pagtanggap eh. Kung parang
Sila emphasize the practicality of your idea and use visuals because they're not. Yung iba, mag-isip pa kung ano mo ito.
Nangyari so parang
Especially if you can
palang natutunan.
Maging leadership po, kailangan pong
sa legacy part.
Kumbaga
identify that maybe some of your leadership styles. Yeah, yung mga
general use of the impact would be kung bakit na hindi nag-growth ang company.
impact is no revenue.
to understand others. Say, may na-late, no? So, they... Okay, so,